Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. Today we will see the reduction or addition and subtraction method. Okay, it consists in multiplying each of the equations by the necessary values. Okay, it's very important to know how you determine that. So the thing is that the coefficients of the one of the unknowns are the same, yeah, and the sign need to be changed. Okay, this is the reason, because you need to add and subtract. Okay, we'll see a sample here. You have that equations, okay, so you need to multiply the equations. For example, here, check, you will eliminate one unknown. Okay, in that case is the y. Okay, for example, here you multiply the first equation by 3, the 3 for the first, and the second one multiply by 5. Okay, you only use the coefficients to multiply the equations. Okay, and need to check the coefficient after the operation that you will calculate need to be the same coefficient and different sign. For example, here when you multiply you get that and get that, yeah. So now you need to add the two equations. Okay, and in that case you will eliminate one variable. So for that case you need to understand which variable you want to delete or eliminate. Okay, so you only get one equation here and you clear the variable and get the value. So you can substitute that value in one of the original equations and get the another value. Okay guys, now we will see how you answer that in the exercises. Okay, now this is the first exercise. For example, here you need to decide first which variable you need or you want to eliminate. I don't know, for example, the x or y, I don't know, it's the same, but for example here I will eliminate the x. Okay, so you need to check the coefficients here. For example, if you have two positive coefficients, you need to be careful, because when you multiply the equations one of them need to be negative coefficient, yeah. So for example, the first one I will multiply that by 3. Yeah, I will use the coefficient of the other equation of the same variable that I want to eliminate. Okay, and the second one I will multiply by 2. Yeah, so in that case you will get 6x and 6x, but remember you need to change the sign of the coefficient. So for that case you can decide which will be negative. It's the same, I don't know, for example the first one. Okay, now you need to do the operation here. For example, this is minus 6x minus 9y, and this is minus 36. Okay, so you need to do the another operation here. This is 6x 4y and 26. Okay, now you need to add the both equations. Yeah, I will use that. Okay, so minus 6 plus 6x it's equals to 0. Minus 9y plus 4y it's minus 5y. Okay, minus 36 plus 26 is minus 10. Okay, so you need to clear the variable. Okay, so that value passed to the other side, dividing, and you get that value. Okay, so you only need to substitute the value here is equals to 2. Okay, so this is 6 and it can pass to the other side. Yeah, so this is 6 again, and that value need to pass to the another side, dividing. Okay, this is 3. Okay, now you only need to check if that values are correct. Okay, so this is all the work that you need to do. It's a little large, but you need to do that. Okay, so you will send me the first 5 linear equations. Okay, see you guys. I will wait for your homework.